Harry
What's
Meridian,
up?
how's it going? It's Zach and Laren coming to you from the office in San Diego. And we just wanted to say thanks for all the work that you guys did. Ended up raising over $13,000, which is amazing and is going to go a long ways with your partner school in Northern Uganda.
Thanks, guys. I know you guys didn't win a trip to Uganda, but we want to let you on some inside information. This April, we're going to be having an event in Chicago to arrest Joseph Kony, the leader of the LRA. We need your help to mobilize your school and your community to get them to the event. Want to let you in before we told everyone else because you guys are our biggest supporters. It's incredible that during a time of recession that a bunch of high school and college age kids raised $1 million for kids on the other side of the world that they've never met. It's inspiring to us to keep working, and it's a testament to your sacrifice and just generosity. So thanks for redefining our generation. Have a great break, a happy new year, and we will see you in the spring. Isn't that right, Zach?
Yeah, we got a huge spring event coming up, which is really going to be focused on trying to end this war, and we want you all to be a part of it. So that these kids at Laivi that you're helping out can not only get a better education, but they can just actually be free. So yeah, so we'd love to see you there.
Jump on it.